तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, मेरी इस वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, क्योंकि इस गिव अवे का वही विनर बनेगा जिसने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखा होगा। तो कमेंट्स में गिव अवे टाइप करो और मेरी जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगी उसमें मैं आपके सामने लाइव इस चैनल का विनर निकालूंगा, फिर उसको इंस्टाग्राम पर इस चैनल की जीमेल और पासवर्ड सेंड कर दूंगा। सो वेटिंग माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड टाइपिंग गिव अवे।
भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का।
It is an out of adolescence and into adulthood. The IPL is 18. We will celebrate it across 13 venues scattered all over India, taking the fun, the joy, the excitement all around the country. But it must start here at the iconic Eden Gardens, the home of the defending champions. And we already have our first sellout, dare I say, the first of almost every sellout at this year's Tata IPL 2025. They've already been treated to a lot of dance and music and celebration, and now they will wait for the real thing to start, the cricket that everybody is waiting for. Who will put their hands around this one? Late in May, Ajinkyarahane, first-time captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders. Rajatpatidar, first-time captain of the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. We are coming to you live
from the Eden Gardens here in Kolkata. Anticlimactic. You would have been 2 yards down the wicket, Hados. Well, and the first boundary comes up. Play that in slow motion, it will still travel rapidly to the boundary. Well, there is very... Oh, straight up, somebody's going to come underneath this. And it's put down! Can you imagine? It's put down by Surya Sharma. Absolute sitter. And now he gets the wicket. This is a great delivery from Josh Hazlewood, and this is some opening over. It is full of action. Boundary of the second ball, then a drop catch, and now strike rate might only be 123. Caps an absolutely brilliant first over. Very interesting stat for the first 50
that remain in.
Straight up, this is so Sunil Narayan. Well, he's played the same shot. And you will not believe this, Hados. He has one opener, there's an opener next to you. He's named after him. Excellent over again, just 4 off it. It's 9 for 1 after 3. Well, he's found the boundary, and he'll be the first to admit it was a ball that demanded one.
No problem, that's the game.
Right, Rahane is here. The captain has arrived at the Eden Gardens in the power play. Now he goes out through mid-wicket. Wow, Ajinkyarahane looks in good nick.
Well, the first one was a pretty average ball. This is more of a back of the lane.
16 of the over after. And bang! Into the crowd for 6.
So Sunil Narayan wasting no time in getting after the spinner. Again, good timing. Good shot. He's in the mood, and the fact that he's captain, eliminates a lot of other. Oh, lovely shot. It's chipped over the infield. Don't bother chasing. Oh, he's just piercing the field. Boundaries galore. Slash here. It's got tighter. Oh, lovely shot this. Wow, what a pickup shot for 6. The 50 partnership comes up. There's been a breeze of just 29. Sweet. Loose delivery, a full toss, but he adjusted well there on it.
Certainly with the ball tracking review.
Oh, this time he doesn't miss out. short, wide, easy pickings. And it'll reach the fence. Oh, that's nice. That's smart. That was intended from Narayan. He gets away with that. Oh, that's high into the night sky. 6 for Rane.
And after 18 innings, he gets to a half century.
Opening game of the season, and he likes batting on this ground when he's played for India as well.
Terrific, terrific ball striking now by Sunil Narayan.
They're really picking their spots.
He is bludgeoned that. He's showing fine touch and awareness of the gaps. 90. Lovely placement. When you see this again, you would see a deliberate effort. That's as astounding as any shot he's played here tonight.
First game of the IPL, home team like this, expect they'll jam into the stadiums.
Got him! Edge through to the keeper. Finally! RCB saw that finger raised in their favour. Showstoppers of the day, the Tata amongst the shots we've seen tonight, is saying something. Straight to deep backward square. That's a showstopper. It has stopped AjinkyaRahane in his tracks. Krunal Pandya strikes. So which of the IPL veterans will enjoy? He's lucky, Suyash, to only get away with 4, I think. Stylish and effective. That's worth another look at the control and panache. Another top shot. This is some batting. 12 overs gone, 1, 2, 4 for 3.
And gets a wicket too. A bouncer, then another quick ball, and he's showing why he's such a versatile bowler. And he's got the wicket of Venkatesha. He's pushed one quicker through. They're in the competition. Puts that in the gap. And wasn't much.
Rahane and Narayan were batting so.
Now he gets another, and what a great way to finish. Push that ball through very quickly. Celebration to the fall of a wicket. Maybe the keepers. Oh, he gave him room. He's just allowed Andre Russell to get away.
But that is what happens when you're bowling to an Andre Russell. You're so scared.
Oh, and he gets him with the wrong hand. And it has worked, keeping the spinner going. Well done, skipper. You kept the spinner going even though he was going at 13s and over. And he's delivered the big wicket. And he's looking even better. I just said, where can you score runs of Hazelwood? That is where you can score runs of Hazelwood. It's a young man, Raghuvanshi.
Himself.
Up goes the finger. Just makes it an even better over. This is an outstanding over from Yash Dayal, the set batter, Angakrish Raghuvanshi. Oh, this happens too. He continued cutting trees and finally the axe struck something. Straight up. Keeper wants it. It's not an easy one. But he takes it, his 4th of the innings. He's had a good day, Jitesh Sharma. RCB are having a fantastic evening under the... Just a single. Outstanding. Absolutely outstanding
from the Royal Challengers Bangalore. We were thinking 2-1-5, it's only... There you are, we talked about a game of two halves, and that's what it's been in this opener to the Tata IPL. Kolkata Knight Riders against the Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And there's a reason I say so. Sunil Narayan 44, Rahane 56. They were 107 for 1 after 10. Only managed 174 for 8. Philsalt. And straight away, crunch shot. There in a nutshell is Philsalt for you. Down the leg side, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant take by Quinton. 12,000. Little dab on the onside. Don't think he's got enough to get to the boundary. Gets it through the gap for 4. It's got to hit every ball. If it connects, it goes to the boundary. Will be the impact sub. Patidar, Livingston. Into the act. Another boundary for Salt. Within his hitting zone, it's gone. Even better. Even better in his hitting arc. And the first 6 comes up. 25 balls. Kohli now into the action, and it's Harshit Rana gives up.
We talk about spin and in this over.
Not in control, but doesn't matter. One bounce into the boundary. Chance of RC. So change of pace. This time it's going Salt's way. One bounce into the boundary for 4.
Just like the way he's...
Once again clears the infield. This time clears it well. Another 6. He's going after Varun Chakravarti. Already. And he goes there. He goes exactly where Andre Russell was standing.
This is a sizzling start.
Toying with the field. When was the last time you saw 21 runs come?
And the crowd is chanting RCB here at Edengardens, and Kohli joins in. This is electrifying. It's a repeat dose, even better. Very little fuss. Very little movement. Strategic timeout. Chakravarti into his length after going for 20. Found the gap. They're taking no prisoners, and a lot last year.
There's a fielder there. It's not going to work.
The problem he's having is not getting the ball to grip. Not with a straight bat.
That's taken. He's bowled wrong runs for a long time at Philsalt. Now 2 leg breaks. Spencer Johnson takes the catch. Put his hand up. Kohli realized he'd called for 2. Oh, look at the timing on that. Wow, what a shot. Long on, deep mid wicket watching. Well, it's not rash, it's commanding. Devdutt Padikkal, he might have found the fielder. He has, right in the deep. Just saying, are they going to play out Sunil Narayan? No, they're not. So you could get a second dry ball. 50 for Virat Kohli. Even here in Edengardens, the bastion of KKR, they're chanting Kohli, Kohli. Another eye catcher, this time from Patidar. I'm with you. Placed beautifully by Patidar. Brilliant.
That is in many ways the shot of this innings.
Strategic timeout. Oh, cracking shot that. Wow. That was hit hard. That's in the air and it's 6. Always believe they can chase down scores. That's over. It's all over. It's a commanding performance from RCB.
क्योंकि अब मुझे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं। एक तो मेरी मोबाइल से चार्जिंग खत्म होने जा रही है और दूसरा मुझे खाना भी बुला रहा है। चलो